Hi there. In this video, we're going to compare ChatGPT with other language models and take a look at their advantages and disadvantages. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language model that has made a big impact in the field of natural language processing. But how does it compare to other language models? ChatGPT has some key advantages over other language models, such as its large training data, high accuracy, and ability to generate human-like text. However, it also has some limitations, such as its large size and computational requirements. On the other hand, other language models may have their own advantages, such as smaller size, lower computational requirements, and specialized abilities. However, they may also have limitations in terms of accuracy, versatility, and scope. In conclusion, it's important to consider both the advantages and disadvantages of different language models when making a decision about which one to use for a specific task or project.